Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to review the toy guns that I got from Malta Beach from the vacation. Well, anyways, I'm back home from vacation. The vacation went great. We came back home yesterday. On Friday, we did not do as much. We just hung out the house, and we do our final things before we head home on Saturday. So, anyways, we did a lot of things. We went to this wax museum. We went to the beach. We went out to eat. And other things we did. And also, we went to the stores, like souvenir shops, and that sort of thing. So I got some toy guns to review. So let's get right into it. So the first gun is this. I got this over a souvenir shop in Myrtle Beach. Is a dinosaur, but it's a silver soaker. This is where you fill up your water in. And down here is a trigger. Up next is these two. I got these over arcade. Yeah, so we went to arcade down there. And yeah. So I got some presses. I got these over arcade place. So these two came in one pack. It just makes sounds like it doesn't have sound effects, but it clicks. Yeah. Up next is this. Also, I got this over a souvenir shop. This is not a Nerf gun, but it's a dart blaster. But this is the only gun that shoots this type of ammo. So the other ammo does not fit. So, yeah. This is where you put the gun, and right here when you shoot the blaster. Alright, so this does not have any burials or it doesn't have anything on top, anything like that. So yeah. Up next is this. This does not shoot anything. It just makes sounds. When you press the trigger, it makes that sound. I got this over a souvenir shop. Also, I got these. I got these over a souvenir shop. This one's black, and this one is light blue, and they both take scopes, and the magazine is not removable. So these two make sounds. It makes sounds when you hold back the trigger. It makes sounds. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day, guys. Peace out.